Today has felt like such a fail.
Our names are Annette and Daniel, and this is our baby Apollo. We spent the last 3 years traveling the world and chasing some crazy adventures as a couple. Now, after having a surprise baby in Thailand, our adventures are about to get a little more interesting. Subscribe and join us as we navigate life as a full-time traveling family together.
We're leaving Orlando today after spending a really lovely weekend with our family. I don't know if you saw the last video, but we came over to our family friend's lake house and totally beautiful home. My God, unbelievable, like major home goals. But this morning, we're actually making the drive from Orlando to St. Augustine because we're going to be going to St. George Street, hopefully going and eating at this really nice bakery, and then also going to the beach. So bam, to good weather, to enjoying the summer, to a beautiful day. Oh, that's locked, Annette. Come on, get with the program. Bam, now we're cooking with gas. Look at this. I could just wake up and do yoga on this patio every single day. My beautiful lake, my beautiful pool, my beautiful house. Thank you. And it's time to get on the road.
We'll try to keep that thing in Florida, man. Excuse me, could I get directions to the nearest beach, please? Thank you.
Hey, where are we, Daniel?
We are checking out the 7-Eleven. Oh, I need to gas up the truck. It's really cool. You can park your vehicle, gas up, and then go inside and get a refreshment. So 7-Eleven, I hope you're as good as Thailand. Definitely thought there was a cord on that. Whoop. After you, love.
Thank you. I haven't been to a 7-Eleven in Thailand, and honestly, it looks pretty similar. Outside of the fact that they have an Amazon locker and no coffee. Do they have a fresh coffee section?
Maybe, we'll check the front.
Espresso bar. Oh, gonna go check that out.
Dangerous.
Yes. Oh, but it's not the same. Not the same. The fresh, like, bean ones that they have, like the ones in Thailand, are not working today, unfortunately. But they do have Cuban coffee. So, Bazinga, Big Bang Theory, and do you watch it?
How you doing, man? Good, how are you? Good.
And where are we headed, Daniel?
St. Augustine.
What happened? We had to go like, shh. Like we had to alternate, and it worked. He's so tired.
Augustine when we saw a Bucky sign and it looked massive, and we actually watched a YouTube video not too long ago on a Bucky's, and I'm like, man, I really want to go there on my bucket list. And y'all, we have manifested this dream into reality. I didn't even know there was a Bucky's in Florida, but apparently there is. My God, this has a whole road. This looks like the Walmart of
Oh my gosh, we had heard about Bucky's being this epic, like the most epic of all gas stations. What in the world? This place is huge. There's everything from like children's clothing to food. Oh my God, there is so much food. Hello.
I'm in a lot of people's videos.
Oh yeah. Ladies, what do you think?
Big. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm so confused. What is this? Is this like a supermarket? So it's a gas station that is also a tourist attraction. Oh. And they have food that they make in-house. It's very Texas. And so they'll have barbecue and snacks.
And they just yelled fresh brisket on house.
Oh. Let's get it for the beach. We should get our beach snacks here. Oh, that's a shout. Okay.
Cool.
We're gonna do that. He's gonna have a heart attack when he sees Apollo's not there.
Right. Oh, there's Daniel. Hi, Daniel. We're just coming to inspect the coffees.
I'm getting more gold hairs on my beard. Look at that.
old dude.
Soon the gray hair will come. My dad grayed early.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to come back here and do a full review of a Bucky's because I'm aghast.
Yeah, there's too much to see.
And back into the truck we go.
Annette wanted to sit inside, right? Yay! We have made it to Sunday. It is right near the St. Mark's Fort, which is awesome. It's right in the center of the St. Augustine Historic City Center. And Nae Young here has been here before, and she says that it has really good brunch and really good breakfast, and specifically a Balt sandwich, which is a bacon, avocado, lettuce, tomato. It's literally the best. So I'm about to smash some avocado here. Oh my gosh, they have a French press coffee pot. Daniel?
Say, are you excited for mommy to have coffee? Yeah.
He's wanting to look at the menu. Look at him. What are you getting, Apollo? Here, tell me. Which one did you want? There's avocado. There's croque madame. There's roasted shiitake mushrooms. What you want, kid? Wow. We finished our mimosas. Our lunch came out a little bit later because we got here during breakfast time. But now I'm having a Balt sandwich, which has bacon, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. And it's been very hyped up by my dear friend here.
And I ended up getting a BLT, so we are gonna smash this and then see you at St. George Street.
So we've made it to St. Augustine Beach. We're gonna go to St. George Street, and then the baby got a little fussy because it's a super hot day. So hopefully it'll be a little less hot for him at the beach. We're gonna try and find some shade. We found parking, which is a hassle in and of itself. So we're on the right track.
It has been so long since we've been to St. Augustine Beach, and I don't think I've ever been to the beach when it is this busy. It's just a regular Sunday, not a holiday, nothing. So let's see if we can find a spot in the shade. Look at you guys being professional spot finders. And lucky too, this is literally the amount of shade. And that's what we got. Yeah, it is slammed. All right, time for me to go get Annette and Apollo from the car, and we'll be right back.
Oh no. Is it gonna wet us next?
Is it gonna come all the way in?
I feel like it might. We might have to move back.
We definitely.
Did we tell you that our first drone died right at those rocks? The water was right back here, one wave, and it went all the way back there. Yeah. Today has felt like such a fail. Apollo. Hi. Do you like the sand, Bubby? I think he's trying to walk, but he thinks that the sand is blocking his leg motions. What is sand? I'm gonna go have him feel some water. You wanna come with me? Little football. Do you like it? Oh my God, his face. Oh no! Oh, Baba. No! You didn't like it? It's okay? He didn't like that first wave that came through. He was like, what is this? Mom, am I gonna get washed away? Mommy's got you. St. Augustine has been slammed. The moment we got onto the beach, honestly, this is the most people I think I've ever seen at the beach in St. Augustine. And St. Augustine has a lot more to do than the beach though. There is St. George Street. There's tons of little cafes and coffee shops that you can come and visit here. And also a lighthouse, Flagler College. Really beautiful places to go check out. But it's also, again, known for its beach. So if you just wanted to come here for a beach day, or you wanted to sightsee and look at historic things, or if you're into really tourist trappy things like the Ripley's Museum or like ghost tours, you have your fair share of that here as well. But for us and our little family, I think we're just gonna hang out at the beach, get Apollo in the water.
Thank you, Como, for taking Annette. Taking Annette. Thank you for taking my wife, but also thank you for taking my child.
She's my boo.
We got some distance.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, I don't know if he like understands if he likes the beach or not yet.
He's like, what is this sand contraption?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Paulo.
I'm not worried.
We need to go get in that water because it is rising quick.
Aww. Bye, Mom. See you.
Okay, to the water.
All right, so the waves are a little too intense and we'll be back. I think we're gonna go to St. George Street after this, but honestly, plans are changing. Depends on how happy the baby is. So, be back after the water.
Is he crying?
It's so violent. There we go. Oh, baby, I'm falling. How did that happen?
He can rinse off over at the showers.
Let's go do that.
Okay.
'Cause I don't want all of the sand on his face. Okay. Baby Apollo. But let's be done playing first.
Oh.
Careful. No?
No.
We finished enjoying the beach. Apollo's been dressed and put back in the car seat. We're all set. I'm actually in a blanket because my brother-in-law likes to live in an ice cube. But we're on our way back to Gainesville. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked this video about St. Augustine. If you want to see more content on our state of Florida before we head over to Portugal, please make sure that you give this video a like and leave us a comment. Let us know what in Florida you want to see, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Thank you so much to our Patreons. If you want to help support our channel and continue to see the adventures going, make sure that you check the link down in the description and become a patron. Bye! Apollo, is that sand? Yeah.